students, all of you. Students, in previous lecture we study about the lesson number 3 in block number 4. So today we study about the subject science and our block name is the animal behavior. So students, already we study in first lesson what is meant by behavior. So students, behavior means the way in which people or animals act. एक अशी पद्धत ज्यामध्ये ॲनिमल्स किंवा पीपल जे बिहेव करतात, जे वागतात, दॅट इज कॉल्ड द बिहेवियर. And in previous lecture we study about the animal colonies. You know that in ants and in bees, in one colony there are hundreds or thousands number of ants or bees. Okay, and the queen bee or queen ant, the present between the or present at the center of whole numbers of ants or bees. Okay, so students, today we study about the lesson number 4. Our lesson name is special animal behavior. Lesson name is special animal behavior. तर असे सुद्धा काही ॲनिमल्स असतात ज्यांचं स्पेशल बिहेवियर दिसतं. तर आपण काही एक्झाम्पल्स पाहूया. द स्पेशल बिहेवियर, reason for behavior and examples means that which are the special behavior. Examples means which animal shows this behavior and reason for this behavior. Why these animals show this type of behavior? Okay, so the control other animals in the group. The special behavior of wolf. Example is a wolf. Wolf control other animals in the group. And why they shows the control other animals in the group? Therefore, to get food and safe place to sleep. To get food and safe place to sleep. Then fight with other animals. Which animals are fight with each other? So tiger, cheetah and eagles. The tiger, cheetah and eagles are also fight with other animals. Why they behave the fight with other animals, or why they show this type of behavior? Because to protect the place the animals live in. Okay, so students, first upon look at the figure number 8 and figure number 9. And what is in this picture? It is a picture or figure number 8. In this picture, wolf trying to control other wolves. Wolf trying to control other wolves. And in figure number 9, tigers fighting for their territory. Tigers territory means area. त्यांचा जो काही एरिया असतो or an area or land that is under control. त्यांच्या कंट्रोलमध्ये असणारा जो एरिया आहे तो दुसऱ्या टायगरने मिळवून यासाठी ते काय करतात, एकमेकांशी फाईट करतात. देअरफॉर द टायगर इज लिव्ह इन अलोन. तर म्हणून तो एकटा राहणारा प्राणी आहे. सो फर्स्ट अपॉन आय रीड द लेसन. सम ॲनिमल्स शो स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर इन विच दे मे ट्राय टू कंट्रोल अदर ॲनिमल्स. सम ॲनिमल्स शो स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियर. काही ॲनिमल्स असे आहेत ज्यांचा स्पेशल टाईपचा बिहेवियर आहे इन विच दे मे ट्राय टू कंट्रोल अदर ॲनिमल्स. आणि त्यामध्ये ते काय करतात, अदर ॲनिमल्सला कंट्रोल करण्याचं काम करतात. दे डू दिस टू गेट मोर फूड दॅन द अदर ऑर टू गेट अ सेफ प्लेस. मग हे ते का करतात, तर आपल्याला स्वतःसाठी एक सेफ अशी जागा राहावी आणि आपल्याला भरपूर अन्न मिळावं यासाठी ते काय करतात, स्वतःची एक टेरिटरी निर्माण करतात. Such behavior is shown by animals like wolves. Here the example of this type of behavior shows which animal shows this type of behavior. So wolves. So such behavior is shown by animals like the wolves. Here the example is a wolf. Okay, so students, here are the examples wolves. Then some animals like tigers and lions fight with each other to protect their territory. So what is meant by territory? Territory means an area on land that is under control. एखादी लँड असेल किंवा एखादी जमीन असेल ती आपल्या स्वतःच्या कंट्रोलमध्ये घेणे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड द टेरिटरी. सो सम ॲनिमल्स लाईक द टायगर्स अँड लायन्स फाईट विथ ईच अदर टू प्रोटेक्ट देअर टेरिटरी. फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ देअर टेरिटरी they fight with each other, the tigers and the lions. Which examples? Tigers and lions. So tigers and lions fight with each other to protect their territory. They do not allow other tigers or lions to hunt in their territory. They do not allow other tigers and other lions to hunt in their territory. ते स्वतःच्या टेरिटरीमध्ये दुसऱ्या लॉयन्सला किंवा दुसऱ्या टायगर्सला येऊ देत नाही. यू सी प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर or previous lesson, the animals also live in a group. There are 6 or 7 number of elephants. They live togetherly, means that they live in a herd. Okay, so in ants, the ants also live togetherly in a number of hundreds or thousands. So it is called the social animals. But the tiger is alone. The tiger is always live alone. The lion is always live alone. ते एकटे राहतात म्हणून त्यांना दुसऱ्याचा त्यांच्यातलाच टायगर त्यांना नको असतो. फॉर देअर टेरिटरी अँड देअर फूड. त्यांचं अन्न आणि त्यांची टेरिटरी राखून ठेवण्यासाठी. Some other animals and birds that show such behavior are cheetahs and eagles. Some other animals and birds. काही असे animals आहेत, काही birds आहेत that shows असाच behavior तेही दाखवतात. are the cheetah and eagles. मग त्यामध्ये cheetah असेल, eagle असेल यांचाही behavior असाच असतो. So question first, look at figure 8 and 9 and answer these questions. Question 8. What are the animals doing in each of the picture? In first picture, wolf trying to control other wolves, and in second picture or figure number 9, the tigers fighting for their territory. Okay, question B. What may be the reason or reasons for tigers to fight? So, tiger always live alone, and the tigers always fight with each other to protect their territory. The tigers always fight with each other for protect their territory. They do not allow other tigers or lions to hunt in their territory. Okay. So students, question 2. Name 2 animals that protect their territory. So first is a tiger. Second example is a wolf. Third question. How does showing special behavior help the animals? How does showing special behavior help the animals? Okay. So students, today's homework of subject science, solve the question 1 to 4 and send me to WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.